Hi friends, welcome to 4540 Greenhill Street in Cocoa, Florida. I'm Jen Clements with Coastal Life Properties, and I'm excited to share with you what this homeowner has done. The aesthetics are absolute perfection as there's no detail overlooked. You've got a screened-in porch, a fully fenced backyard, and absolute perfection inside the home. I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look together. We hope you enjoyed the look around 4540 Greenhill Street in Cocoa, Florida. Coastal Life Properties would love to schedule a private tour for you to take a look at this amazing home. Give us a call at 321-633-2313. We can't wait to make you our neighbor.